Hey, what's up? So today in this video, we're going to be looking at Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, and we're going to look at how to add transitions / effects to our clips. Now, typically down here, you won't see this right away. You're going to see media browser or library, one of these options usually. So what we're going to want to do is go up here and we're going to click on window, and we're going to scroll down to where it says effects. Click on effects and this window will pop up. So this is already opened up for me, a couple of these, because I was playing with it yesterday. So you're going to see audio effects, audio transitions. I'm not focusing on that right now. And then there's video effects and video transitions. So we're going to hit video transitions. And for example, the most common one that I always see is the crossfade effect. So if you want that crossfade effect, you're going to find this where it says dissolve. Click on it. Find cross dissolve. Click on that. And then we're going to drag it over to, I don't know, like some clip that we want. For example, this one. So now, I don't think it's the same clip. Oh, it is the same clip, so it's not going to do the effect. Hold on, I messed that up. So here, I already had one there, but I'm going to delete it. So back to cross dissolve, drag it over, put it there. And it's going to say, I don't know why it says that insufficient media thing, but okay. Boom, you see how I did that like cross effect? Now, if you want to make it longer, you have to go select it. Let me zoom in. You have to select it, and then you have to drag this like that. You see what I'm saying? And you can move that like that. So, for example, now it's going to be a longer, more like, I don't know, like a dream-like effect. Okay, so we're back. You see how I did that? So that's how you do the cross dissolve. There's also other effects you can play with, like cube spin, flip over. There's these video effects, but this is not transition. This is just to like sharpen your stuff and all of that. So if you want like video transitions, you're gonna have to go to video transitions and play with the sections that they have there, right? Which is like 3D motion, dissolve, and all that stuff. Like I said, the most common is dissolve, so that's it. That's pretty much how you do it. And I hope it helps you guys out. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right? Peace.